Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super helpful: how to use a key code for H&R Block. If you're preparing your taxes and want to snag some discounts or unlock extra features, a key code is your best friend. I'm excited to walk you through this step by step, so you can get it done quickly and easily. Let's jump right in. First off, what's a key code? It's basically a special promo code or activation key provided by H&R Block that gives you access to deals, like free upgrades or discounts on their tax software. You might get one via email, on their website, or through a promotional offer. Why use it? Simple. It saves you money and makes tax filing less stressful. Now, let's get to the how. Step 1. Make sure you have your key code handy. It's usually a mix of letters and numbers, so double check for accuracy. Step 2. Head over to the H&R Block website or open their app. If you're new, create an account. If you're returning, just log in with your existing details. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Account or Promotions section. Look for an option that says Enter Code, Redeem Key, or something similar. That's where the magic happens. Step 3. Type in your key code exactly as it appears, no spaces unless specified, and hit Submit. You'll get a confirmation message if it works, showing your discount or feature unlocked. If you run into issues, like an invalid code, check for expiration dates or ensure you're using it on the right platform. H&R Block's support team is great, so don't hesitate to reach out. There you have it. That's how to use a key code for H&R Block and start saving on your taxes. Give it a try next time you're filing, and let me know in the comments if this helped. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more tax tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.